in the system, you have some debris and impurity inside of the pipeline. What happened to the system when you are peeling? Maybe sometimes peak consider this point, this dirty attached to the wall of the pipe as an infection, but it is not. We know this is impurity. At first, we have to clean up the line to sure about the cleaning, and after that, you have received this peak in the reception facility, and you take a sample, you completely sure about the cleanness of the line. After that, you launch the peak, the intelligent.
That's what I mean. Why don't we use the brushing first to make sure that our line is fully clean? There is nothing that if we brush the surface, the inside the wall.
You said the brushing at first?
Yeah.
Yeah, it cannot work because the dP of the brushing is very high. If you put another dP related to the hydrostatic and cleaning pressure in the system, maybe your peak completely stopped in the pipeline.
Okay, so then we can use before and after. So we put the
For
intelligent.
a small pipeline with high pressure in upper ceiling, you can use it as that one, but completely destroy. We have to use it completely because the first peak should completely see the liquid. Because of this matter, we use the gel to completely remove the debris, impurities, and dust. They dissolve into the liquid and push them to the reception facility. And after that, if we want to launch the brushing peak, we take a sample, we found it's mandatory requested to launch the brush peak. In this situation, you are facing with a clean, without any liquid in the pipeline. And brushing peak have enough energy to overcome to the friction between the brushing peak and the wall of the pipeline. If you put the liquid, a huge amount of liquid over there, maybe the pressure, the force behind the peak cannot overcome the most of these resistant forces.
Can we use the intelligent peak again after we brush it?
Yeah, always we use another intelligent peak.
Yeah, because we need.
As an inspection in the tank area, I explained to you, at first we have to inspect in the dirt condition, and after cleaning, again we repeat the inspection.
Because we need
and after repair, again we have to repeat the inspection. In the gas refinery, it is common to launch peak at the 12 here. Because we have the lowest pressure to prevent any cavitation, any damage inside of the pipeline. It is a rule. In the beginning, always at 12 start the peak. Maybe early in the morning you can catch the peak over there. In the night shift, you can reduce your capacity to be able to handle the liquid trapped inside of the pipeline. The peak push this huge amount of liquid in the reception facility. And after you catch completely the peak, maybe sometime you lost your peak inside of the pipeline. You cannot find that. You have to launch another gel type peak over there and push it inside of the pipeline to pushing your intelligent peak. Yeah. Maybe intelligent peak trap over there, but the stacking of the peak inside of the pipeline more happen for the brushing peak because the friction between the peak and the wall of the pipeline is very hard.